So recently someone reached out to me and wanted me to try out a new hammock. They're gonna send it to me, reimburse me via PayPal. I was really skeptical, I thought it was a scam, but I tried it out anyways. And the hammock came to me in this box. And I'm in Yosemite, so I'm gonna open it up and sometime today I'm gonna try it out. It's an AnorTrek. That. AnorTrek wishes you a pleasant journey. It's supposed to be super simple. It comes with straps. I don't have any ropes or anything, so I hope that that's true. Little instruction sheet. There's no trees close enough to our little unit here. We're gonna have to try it somewhere else. You got a strap right here. Oh no, there's two straps here. And then here's the hammock with carabiner attachments. They're actually very nice. And it all rolls up. Oh, sweet. And then this stays on the side, so it's like a pocket for stuff. Roll that back up, put it back in. I'll try it out later. Now I'm out by the beach and I'm gonna try out this hammock that I just opened up. We're gonna see if I can get it to work. I've never personally hung a hammock. I just enjoy them. So we'll see how it goes. So we got it set up. It seems secure, but just in case, Josiah's gonna video me going in it. Ooh, that's low.
It needs a wider space.
I need to go higher. Let's try it.
It
Flung dirt on myself. So I got it hung up. It's not bad for a free one. I mean, I would get it. It's not an expensive one, but it works and it was easy to hang up, which I like. I enjoy.
It's for free.
It was, yes, we're trying it out. Not a sponsored post, but it was free for this purpose. Only issue I have is that the middle part here, like, rides up. How do I get rid of that?
I want to go on the hammock.
You'll get a turn.
The reason I like this hammock is because it's easy to get on, out, and in.
And it slaps you in the face.
And it slaps me in the face.
For when it's windy.